Guys, I don't like this. I feel like this is danger. Please condemn it before it goes too far. Genesis writers can't be doing this to Owethu. No, we have to talk about this. Oh, before starting with the video, please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get to it. I know what these guys are trying to do. They are trying to paint us, the gents, as bad guys. Well, I, as a good guy, am against all of this. Bongo should be very careful with Maroon. I know that some of the viewers of the show want Maroon to get back with Bongo, but hey, think about it this way, guys. Owethu disobeyed her parents, rejected a guy who was willing to do anything and everything to be with her. And she did all of that just for Bongo. Imagine if her father forced her to choose between her family and Bongo. We all know that she would have chosen Bongo. So there's so many reasons why Bongo and Maruna can't be together anymore. Please agree with me on this one. Oh, look at me coming in guns blazing without even giving context. So guys, if you didn't watch Genesis' latest episode, I just saw this duet. Maruna and Bongo in studio recording their duet. This came after Bongo refused several times working with Maruna. And for the first time working together, they are all cozy, smiling to each other, giving a very nice song. And worst of them all, the chemistry. I swear, Owethu wouldn't have liked that if she could see it. And I wouldn't blame her. Guys, I hope I'm not the only person who doesn't like Maroon and Bongo getting back together. I really hope that you are with me on this one. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So like this video if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. Moja.